So, as you can see, I have, again, another package on my desk. It's insane. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know what this is going to be. You know the trend of what's basically I'm buying. So let's open this already. If I can find. In this lamp, I need to cut open too. We have a Pyrotronics vibratone horn. Now what's so special about this one is this one has a polarizing diode, making it half the pitch as a normal one. How did they put this together? Weird. It is very clean. It appears to be locked at a certain volume because of this metal tab over our set screw. It is extremely clean. It does not have a plug on it. Now, why did they cover the volume screw? I don't know. On the top, you can see Pyr-A-Larm horn, model HAC-120 A-1 series, 120 volts, 60 hertz. Right here we just have two screws. Damn. Okay, well, give me a second. Took quite some force to get them out. They do absolutely nothing. I I don't even know why they're here. Yeah, they don't do anything. So here's our horn. I'm just gonna put it back in. They're just there to hold it, I guess, in place on whatever scoreboard or whatever it's mounted on. Okay, on the back. Wonder if I can. Weird. So I can't even move the screw, but I can move that guard, but I'm just gonna keep it as is. It really wants to, I'm upside down. So on the back here, we have a diode. What a diode does, give me a second. What this does right here is it restricts the flow of AC to only flowing in one direction, and AC is alternating current, so it goes back and forth, which is how this horn mechanism works. This means instead of this horn buzzing at 120 hertz like it normally does, it will be buzzing at 60. So half the pitch. I don't know why they did this. Give me a second. Okay, after, yeah. So it's rated. I can't even tell. I don't know. It smells like an old house. Just kind of funny. That's basically it for this horn. I'll get a plug on, installed on it, and test it sometime in the next week, this week or next couple weeks. That's it for this video. I'll be coming back with another one soon.